Okay, hello everybody, and this time I'm going to make a video about Google Omni model because I think it's pretty awesome. It's Omni Flash, at least for now. And the reason I'm doing this video, I'm recording this video is because I used to love VO 3.1. I used it all the time. It is fast. It created some really good videos. Lip sync was amazing. I had no issues with it. But then Kling 3.0 came out and Seedance 2.0 came out, and VO3 just stayed in the back burner. But one more reason to use Google VO is for the cost. It's like 10 times cheaper than all these other models. I mean, each model and has its own strengths, but whatever. Anyway, what I came here to actually show you how to do is creating a long form video, talking head style. And the workflow here was pretty awesome, to be honest. It's a huge upgrade from yesterday. So let me just show you what I did. I created this image, okay, of Sarah, and she's just going to sit there and talk to the camera, right? She's going to talk about stuff. I created this 10-minute long monologue for her, and to create it with Hey Jen or Seedance or Kling or VO or Grok or anywhere else is gonna be really annoying because you can make maximum 10-second videos. So if it's 10 minutes, you'll have to have at least 60 videos generated, and probably you'll have to generate a bunch of times some of them because it's AI, and it's a lot of work. You'll have to generate, download, stitch, cut, crop, organize, blah blah blah. So what I saw here was really amazing to me. It just made things so much easier, and you can do it too. Let me just show you how. So this is Sarah. She's just an image of a character, and she's going to say a bunch of stuff. One thing for sure is annoying is that it didn't keep 100% of the character true to itself. Because as you can see, the outfit here is different than the outfit here, right? And it changes here and there while the generation goes on. The shelf and art is different. There's a bunch of problems, unfortunately. It's not as consistent as we all wish. But if it's a talking head, you can, pick and choose and just show some parts and then maybe crop and put like a circle around her and just make her small on the side, whatever it is. You can figure it out, and you can work it out. Let me just show you what I did. I talked to the agent over here. There's a agent mode. If you close this, you see there's agent and non-agent. All right, so first of all, you go and choose video and then Omni Flash, and then you use ingredients. Okay, if you want to do this, you can't do it. You can do a start frame with Omni for whatever reason, but that's all right. So video, ingredients, make sure it's Omni Flash, and then you press the agent mode. Okay, so the agent mode is active, and I'll just make this bigger again. And here you can see my conversation with it. So at first, what I wanted to do is I wanted to upload a voice for her, but you can't upload a voice. I mean, they say you can use any file to create anything, but you can't upload audio files. So there's that. Now, so the best next thing I could do was creating a voice for her, which also was whatever, to be honest. For example, you come here and you go to voices, And here you can create a new voice. So, okay, I was excited. Maybe I could upload an audio of whatever. And so I clicked this, and there's no way to upload a voice. What you can do is you have to select a starting point, like a base voice that they have, which are, in my opinion, whatever. And then you give it a name and you describe how the voice performs and blah, 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 and you save it. Okay. So I did that. I created a voice called Sarah, and then I attached it into the agent over here. So I attached the image and the voice, and I told it I wanted to say blah, 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 blah. And she says blah, 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 blah. And I was like, okay, what next? I have this long ass monologue for her to start reading. At some point, I said, okay, you know what? I have this 10-minute monologue for her to read. What can I do? It told me, well, 10 minutes is obviously too long because I can only generate 10-second videos. And so it said, just give me the monologue and I'll create a plan for that. So I put the entire monologue here. I pasted here. Let's see if I can just find it real quick. This is the entire monologue. Blah, blah, blah. And here's what it said. Okay, this is brilliant. I created a detailed plan. So it created chapters for me. It's my storyboard with chapters for her to say whatever she needed to say. Okay. Right now I'm on chapter 2. I have a long way to go. It's still going to generate like 60, at least 60 videos. And we'll see how it goes. But that's not the most amazing things in my opinion. Okay, you can do that. You write whatever you want and it generates the videos. So first, when you generate a video, it asks you, I'm not going to show you. I'm just making it real quick. It's going to ask you if it can generate a video for you, and then you can say approve or reject, and also you can select if you approve all the generations from now on automatically. So you just do that. What I liked a lot in this workflow is this. You go to any of your generations, you click the 3 dots over here, and you go to add to scene. And you can create scenes. Okay, but what does that mean? You had scenes before and we could work with it. Maybe it's not new, it's new for me at least. But then when I go to scenes and you created a scene here, let's just click it. You have this timeline, which means you don't need to download a clip by clip and organize it in Premiere or whatever software you use. So it puts everything here in the order that you edit into the scene. Give it a few minutes, I guess, a few seconds to load. It's probably so freaking busy because everybody's using it. It's new. So there you go. So this was amazing because first of all, everything is here, right? All the scenes I created. All the scenes I created are here because I added them. And then what you can do is, I don't know if there's undo here. I don't want to fuck it up. You can drag from the beginning of the video or from the ending of the video. So I'll just do the beginning because I can easily go back there. You can drag to whatever point you want it to start or end, and then it's just going to stay there. It's like editing, cutting your videos in Premiere, for example. And what it does, it will automatically get rid of everything before that. Done. Let's see if I can. There you go. Let's take it back. All right. And this is just amazing because you can cut wherever you need and then jump to the next clip. And so here is just an example.
I watched 100 skincare ads so you don't have to. And first of all, you're welcome.
And the acting is pretty good.
Because somewhere around ad number 37, my brain started smelling like hyaluronic acid. My soul became a frosted glass dropper bottle. And I briefly considered legally changing my name to Clinically Proven Glow Complex. But here's the thing. After watching 100 skincare ads back to back, you start to notice something. Not the products, not the ingredients, not even the models with skin so smooth they look like they were rendered overnight by a very ambitious computer. The first thing I noticed is that almost every skincare ad is trying to sell you one of three things: control, transformation, and peace. Control sounds like, finally fix your skin, target stubborn texture, take back your glow. It's the language of command.
The voice stays consistent, obviously.
The ad is basically saying, your skin is a problem, but don't worry, this tiny bottle has arrived wearing a lab coat. Then there's transformation. This is where skincare ads get dramatic, before and afters. Close-up skin shots, dark circles vanishing. I watched 100 skincare...
There you go. I don't know if you learned anything, but I enjoyed it and I'm going to keep enjoying it. So, just go on to flow and knock yourself out. Experiment. Until next time.